Okay, hi. It's us, and we have a name for a channel now. It's called Daniel Channel.
What are we making today?
We're making like a Play-Doh book.
This is the Play-Doh Under the Sea hands-on learning book. And it comes with 4 packs of Play-Doh and instructions for building these under the sea creatures. Do you want to get started?
Yes.
There you go. What color do we have?
Okay, let's start with the octopus.
Octopus.
Let's do a pink octopus.
Pink octopus. It says, "Hi, I'm a reef octopus, and I love warm water. My 8 arms are like suction cups, and they help me grab things to eat. Look out, fish."
Oh, look. Some are not made yet.
All right, so we've got to build this octopus.
Okay, now I'm going to take this piece of Play-Doh off and make it to a ball for its
Is
head.
that what the instruction says? Yeah. It says make a ball.
Now we have to make 8.
8 little arms.
Do it. Now one more will make 8.
8 legs. 8 legs.
Here's 8.
Okay, let's see what's the next step.
Wait, let me put these all together.
Okay, well that's what the next step is. It says put them all together like a big star right there. Can you do it?
I can do it. I think I'll put this right here.
Okay. And
Now put the head on.
the next step. Yeah, put the head on. Put it on top of those legs.
Oh, okay. Let me make this head a little bit bigger.
Yeah, watch make your head a little bigger. Add some extra Play-Doh to it.
Okay. I'm gonna add this much extra Play-Doh. Okay, a little bigger.
There you go.
Now,
What's the next step? Well, now we have to decorate it with some green suction cups. Our book didn't come with any green.
yeah, so we might have to use some green.
Some more green. There we go. Got some green.
Inside there. Oh, it's already opened.
There we go.
Now, let me get some like little dots. That and making it a dot.
That's a good little suction cup.
Uh-oh. I think that... Uh-oh, his head fell off.
His head fell off.
Yeah. Maybe I should, like, finish the dots.
Yeah.
Big one on this one.
That's a big dot. Big suction cup on that one.
Yeah. Now I better put his head back on.
Put his head back on.
Yeah.
Now.
How do we make a smile?
Well, you know that smile, it sort of looks like a half circle.
Okay. I make a ball. Oh, how about a pancake? A pancake this big.
And then cut it in half so it's a half circle.
A half circle this big. This big is good. Oh, that's a big mouth.
I can't see it. Put it on the other side.
I have to turn the head around.
Oh, that is a big mouth.
Yeah.
All right, now
Wait. I'm gonna make it like a little mouth.
a little smaller.
Yeah, small mouth. Again, I think this time I'll just rip it off. Good. Okay.
I gotta get it to temperature. Because right now it's cold.
That's a nice looking mouth.
Now we
This
need
head's
it.
kind of flat. Let's see.
We use this for Big Macs, right?
Baymax.
Yes. We'll make it to a little pancake. That eye is actually big.
Make it smaller.
I can't.
Well, this will be a big-eyed.
Oh, the eyes are
Octopus.
put together. Like, kind of like sunglasses.
Yeah, that'll be a big-eyed sunglass wearing octopus.
Yeah, that has pupils. And a tiny pupil sticking out too.
What? Ah,
Pupils sticking out. Hey, this pool actually looks like black.
kind of.
Maybe they wanted us to do this color. We made an octopus.
We made an octopus.
Yeah,
What do you think?
good, but the head is actually falling off.
Ah, well, you keep taking it off.
It's not on there very good. That's why it falls off.
That's okay.
I can't pick him up.
Nah, he's not a picking up kind of octopus.
Yeah.
He's a sit on the table kind of octopus.
Yeah. I can't like lay him right here.
All right. Well, so this book, it actually has a starfish, a seahorse instructions, and
It even has
oh, look, that's a clownfish like Nemo.
Nemo instructions and
what's
shark
left? A
instructions.
shark. Which one is your favorite? The octopus?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a nice looking one. Well, let's take a break and then we'll come back and make some other ones.
Hi, it's me, Daniel from Daniel Channel, and I made the octopus already, and now we're gonna finish this whole book. While I make the starfish, this thing, it'll gonna be hold this thing. It's gonna be you will be hold right up on the book. And thumbs up. And thumbs up. And thumbs up. Oh. Bye.